Hello, brother and sister. Today I will going to give a review for a dog repeller with ultrasonic sound. And here in front of us, the item itself, it has many head at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And from the purchase, I also get a paper inside of the box. Here is the type number of the repeller itself. As you can see, it's good for cat, canine, rodents, lion, tiger, leopard, wolf, bear, fox, white bear, rodent, etc. You can try it yourself if it is work or not. Okay. And now I will show you how big the power of this repeller. Okay. I will bring out the candle and light it up. And put in front of the repeller, and this size is about 10 centimeter. Now I will turn up the repeller. Okay. Pull it further. This is around 15 centimeter. Now it is around 20 centimeter. It still has a light effect. Now I will bring more near to the device. It is around 2 or 3 centimeter. As you can see, the candle is almost light out. Now I will bring a paper in front of the device and see the push force of the device. Okay, now it is around 10 centimeter. It just fall up. Bring it more near, around 2 or 3 centimeter. The more near, it is more easier for the paper to fall out. Now I will bring the paper further. It is around 20 centimeter. Still has the ability to fall out. Now I will bring more further. This is around 30 centimeter. Still has the ability. Okay, now farthest around 40 centimeter. Only has a slight move on the paper. Bring it closer. This is around 35 centimeter. This is around 20 centimeter. It is around 15. Now I will going to try on the dog and cat around my home. There are music noise on the background, but the repeller still can hurt by the dog. I assume the cat is deaf because it just won't react many and as normal, and from its face show many scars, maybe just regular fighting with other cat, so it become deaf and injured. That's all my review of the animal repeller. Thank you for watching this video.